Baby changing pad, diaper bag, travel mat by Comfy Cubs is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. Keep your baby clean and comfy. The portable changing mat is very lightweight and compact when folded, so you can change your baby's diaper anywhere. It has a soft cushion pillow, and it is large enough for all babies for great comfort and convenience. Premium quality. The diaper changing mat is crafted to perfection with the best quality materials, so it can be perfectly safe for your baby. The portable changing mat is waterproof and easy to clean for great hygiene, and it is also very durable. Cute design. The travel changing pad folds into a clutch, so it can be very discreet. It has a stylish and modern design, and it comes in 2 neutral colors, so it can be perfect for moms and dads, as well as for baby boys and girls. Amazing gift idea. The portable changing mat is essential for every new and expecting parent. Get it for your friend's baby shower or to congratulate her on the baby's birth, and rest assured that she will love the convenient design and unique quality of the mat. Order with confidence. The manufacturer are certain that you will love this travel changing mat as much as the manufacturer do, but if for any reason you are not completely satisfied, the manufacturer will give you a full refund with no questions asked. Just let them know, and we'll be happy to help you out.